Hello, my friend. Let's talk about something extraordinary, something that has the power to change how you see your life and how you move through the world. The universe is always working, always aligning, always responding to the energy you put out. And here's the truth you might not have realized yet: the universe will repay you in ways you never expected. Let's get into what this means and how it applies to your life right now. Every thought you entertain, every belief you hold, and every emotion you feel is like planting a seed. These seeds are nurtured by your attention and your faith. Some people plant seeds of abundance, love, and gratitude, while others unknowingly plant seeds of fear, doubt, and limitation. What you plant in the garden of your mind, the universe will cultivate, multiply, and return to you. It might not come in the way you imagined, but it will come in a way that matches your energy perfectly. Think about a time in your life when something unexpected happened, something that seemed too perfectly timed to be mere coincidence. Perhaps you needed help, and someone appeared just in time. Or maybe you dreamed of a new opportunity, and it arrived in a way you didn't anticipate. That's the universe repaying you, showing you that it hears every thought, every whisper, every intention. But here's where most people go wrong: they think the universe only repays in the currency they recognize, money, promotions, or material success. While those things are certainly possible, the universe also repays in wisdom, connections, and inner peace. Sometimes, the best repayment comes in the form of a lesson that helps you grow, a person who changes your perspective, or a moment of clarity that alters your path forever. To align with this flow of unexpected blessings, you must first become aware of what you're broadcasting to the universe. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful signals. When you focus on lack, the universe mirrors that lack back to you. When you focus on gratitude and abundance, the universe finds ways to multiply those things in your life. It's not magic, it's alignment. Let me share this: if you've been feeling stuck, it's not because the universe has forgotten you. It's because you're holding on to old ideas that no longer serve you. Release them. Let go of the belief that you're not worthy, that life is hard, or that good things only happen to others. Replace those thoughts with the knowledge that you are supported, guided, and worthy of all the good the universe has to offer. Here's a simple practice to help you get started. Every day, take a moment to imagine the life you desire as if it's already yours. Feel it. Live in it mentally, with as much detail as you can. The more vividly you experience it in your mind, the more the universe will work to bring it into your reality. This isn't wishful thinking, it's the law of consciousness. As you walk through your days, pay attention to the small nudges and signs around you. These are not random. They are breadcrumbs leading you toward what you've asked for. A conversation, a book, a fleeting thought, any of these could be the universe's way of guiding you. Trust the process, even when it doesn't make sense at first. Many people give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. But understand this: the universe operates on its own timeline, not yours. Sometimes, the blessings you've asked for are being prepared behind the scenes, and the delays are simply opportunities for you to grow into the person who can fully receive them. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a demonstration of faith. And let's not forget gratitude. Gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. When you appreciate what you have, no matter how small, you're telling the universe, "I am ready for more." Gratitude shifts your energy and opens the door for blessings to flow in ways you never imagined. There is no limit to what the universe can bring into your life. Why? Oh, you may start by asking for something small, and before you know it, you're receiving things you never dared to dream of. But the key is to let go of how it will happen. The how is not your concern, that's the universe's job. Your job is to remain faithful, open, and aligned. I'll leave you with this thought: every moment is an opportunity to shift your energy and rewrite your story. If you've been holding on to fear, anger, or doubt, release it now. Replace it with faith, love, and the expectation of good things. The universe is always listening, always ready to repay you in ways beyond your imagination. Take a deep breath and trust. It's coming. The universe has heard you, and it's already working on your behalf. Stay aligned, stay grateful, and watch as your life unfolds in miraculous ways. The beauty of how the universe works lies in its infinite creativity. It is never constrained by the paths we assume are the only possibilities. Often, what you desire comes through unexpected means, people, or situations you never anticipated. This is why it's important to remain open to all possibilities. When you insist on controlling every detail or outcome, you limit the infinite intelligence that orchestrates everything. The universe is far more resourceful than our human minds can comprehend, and its methods are often breathtakingly surprising. Consider the idea that what you perceive as a setback may actually be a setup for something greater. A door closing might feel like rejection, but it could be the redirection you need toward a better opportunity. These moments are not random, they are intentional. The universe operates with precision, and even when things seem chaotic or challenging, there is a deeper order unfolding for your ultimate benefit. Have you noticed how your life shifts when you approach it with curiosity rather than resistance? When you ask, "What is this teaching me?" instead of, "Why is this happening to me?" you unlock the potential for growth and discovery. Curiosity opens your eyes to solutions you might otherwise miss. It's a subtle but powerful way to align yourself with the flow of life. There's also the concept of timing. Sometimes, what you desire is delayed not because it's denied but because it's being perfected. During this waiting period, the universe is aligning all the pieces, not just for your benefit but for the benefit of everyone involved. Trusting this timing requires patience and faith. It means letting go of your need to rush the process and trusting that everything will unfold in the best possible way. When you trust in this process, you begin to see signs of alignment everywhere. These are not coincidences but validations that you are moving in harmony with universal laws. It could be as subtle as a song lyric that resonates deeply with you, or as obvious as a chance encounter with someone who has the very solution you need. These signs are like breadcrumbs leading you closer to what you've asked for. As you move forward, know that the universe will continue to surprise and amaze you. It will bring opportunities, experiences, and connections far beyond anything you could have planned for yourself. But to fully receive them, you must stay open, flexible, and willing to trust in the unseen forces that are always working on your behalf. You've stayed with me this far, and that shows your desire to unlock the full potential of what the universe has in store for you. There's no coincidence in the timing of this message. It has found you because it resonates with the truth of your own experiences and aspirations. The universe is always speaking, and when you quiet the doubts, fears, and distractions, you'll hear its guidance more clearly. As you go forward, I want you to take this message and use it as fuel for your journey. Keep your mind and heart open to the unexpected, because the most beautiful surprises often come when you least anticipate them. The universe is ready to repay you in ways that will astound you, but it needs your cooperation. Stay aligned with thoughts and emotions that reflect what you wish to receive. If you found value in these words, I encourage you to spread this message by liking this video. It's a simple act, but one that helps amplify the ripple effect of this wisdom. And if you want to continue exploring insights like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing ensures you're always connected to content that enriches your mind and elevates your perspective. Think of this channel as a trusted companion on your path to understanding the greater forces at work in your life. Liking the video is like planting a seed, small, but with the potential to grow into something meaningful. So, take a moment now to like this video if it has spoken to you. It's a small gesture, but one that contributes to spreading positive energy to others who may need it. By subscribing, you're also creating a connection to a source of ideas, reflections, and revelations that align with your aspirations. If you've enjoyed this message, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button now. It's your way of staying engaged with more wisdom that keeps you in alignment with the good that life has to offer. And, if you feel inspired, share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Sometimes, all it takes is one idea, one sentence, or one moment of clarity to change the course of someone's life. You could be the reason someone discovers the power of the universe working in their favor. So, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's continue to grow together. Your engagement not only supports the creation of this content but also serves as a powerful affirmation of the principles we've explored today. Thank you for being here, for listening, and for being open to the infinite possibilities that await you.